So we're repairing the water pump on the Sea King by Chrysler, 15 horsepower. What I've done here so far is I've bought a new impeller. It's not the original. This isn't either, but this is what was in it. I've taken some wet sandpaper and created a surface where the honing marks are shown and it's flat. Done by that. I also went and did that to this piece also. I'm going to take some of this gasket maker and go along the bottom of this thin layer. Once you have that put on, you can go ahead and place this on top. And then you can go ahead and apply the sealant along this again. Once you've applied it around your water pump, you can go ahead and slip the new impeller on. You're gonna want to make sure you have this pin, obviously. Slip the pin in, slip the new impeller on. Go ahead and I went and replaced the new upper seal. It was pretty easy. All you did was just pop out the old one, then pop in the new one. Lube it up a little bit, slip it on. Now when you put the water housing pump over the impeller, you're going to want to turn the drive shaft clockwise. Once you turn it clockwise, you can put pressure down on it. Okay, so that didn't go as planned. So now what I'm going to have to do is put the water or the impeller in first. So that's going to sit like this, and we're going to go counterclockwise in. I'm going to set this side over here. And there, and that shouldn't have got too much on the inside. And you can go ahead and set that on so it doesn't mess up that bottom piece. So make sure it's centered in here before you do that. I also took a little bit of the edge off of the sealant. So that when it smushes down, doesn't get in there. Let's try this again. Then you can go ahead and put your bolts in. When you tighten them loosely. Tighten this one, this one, this one, and this one. When you're tightening, you want to make sure to tighten them very lightly at first, because you're creating a seal that you just made a flat surface with after sanding down both spots, the lower water seal plate and the upper water seal housing. So just take your time and cross tighten them. That way you don't warp what you just straightened.